am probably the worst vlogger ever, but I'm gonna give it a shot today. So Pete, got a couple of things going on today. I want to vlog using 2 cameras, maybe 3, I don't know. Definitely I'm gonna use this Insta360 X4 and my GoPro Hero 8. Nothing too fancy. Just want to see what I can do with it. See what, I already have. Use what I already have to create. And I might use one of my mirrorless cameras, but we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, man, I got some stuff going on today. Got some stuff cooking, so stay tuned. Yo. So, alright, so I'm about to do my first shoot, and it's something a little different. I'm shooting at a track meet, and never did this before. But I done shot sports, so I think I can handle it. So I'm gonna give y'all a POV. I'm gonna probably get some video of her, but right now I'm on the GoPro Hero 8, so I'm about to switch back over to the Insta360 X4, but y'all let me know what this looked like, how it sound, and everything. Alright, see y'all in a second.
Gun is up, quiet at the start. Clean start for these guys.
Alright, so let me tell you about my setup. I am shooting with the Canon R6 Mark II, and I have the Canon EF 70-200. And I have my, for my BTS, I have my Insta360 X4. And I have it attached to a small rig magic arm, and it's attached to the bottom of my camera. On the left side, as you can see, my other camera, it was sitting on the ground. That's my Canon R6, the Mark I, and I have the Canon 24 millimeter f1.4, and I was shooting a video with that. So right now I'm just getting her warming up, loosening up, stretching, getting ready for her race. Like I said, this was my first time shooting like a track meet. So, photographers that shoot track meets and events like this, what is your setup? If you can, drop in the comments. Let me know, do you use a 70-200 or 24-70, or just let me know what y'all use. Are y'all liking the BTS footage? Thinking I'm gonna go with this more when I shoot my weddings, my portrait sessions outside. I like it, man. I think it's dope. I got the idea from Taylor Jackson. Shout out Taylor Jackson. I'm loving it. So far, so good. This is cool, man. Folks out here running fast and jumping. I feel like, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like I can get somebody out here. One person out here, I know I'm faster than you. Swear. At least one person. Now they doing hurdles now. I'm short, so my legs ain't that long. But I can get somebody out here. Yeah, I gotta stop lying to myself. As you can hear, I was breathing heavy just walking across the damn field. I gotta chill. first event. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you. Back in my day, I would've smoked them. Bro. Had them burners. I'm lying. But I could run a little bit, you know. But on to, well, I got time to go home, charge up some gear, and get ready for the next event. So we had to change locations, but yeah, we at the next event. I'm about to host a photo walk. I have no idea how many people are showing up. Hopefully I have a good turnout. It's a spot over there that I want to go to. Might shoot right here. It's a little park right across over there. I don't know, man. We're just gonna have to use what we got. Initially, I wanted to shoot on a parking garage, but it looked like it was full, and so we just gotta switch it up. But stay tuned, man. I'm gonna introduce y'all to the models and the photographers, whoever show up, and we're just gonna, you know, network and have a good time. Yeah, about introducing everybody, I didn't. I was so, you know, just kind of excited, and people was there, and I started shooting. I forgot to pick up the camera. Like, I picked it up here, just kind of showing what was going on. And that was the GoPro, by the way. I wanted to use the Insta360 like how I used it when I was shooting the track meet, but I forgot the Insta360 X4 at home. So there's that. But here I'm just walking around, you know, getting a good look at everybody. We had a good time, and hopefully if you're in the city of Chattanooga or close to Nashville, Knoxville, Atlanta, and y'all want to be a part of it, just let me know and I'll hit y'all up. So now let me drop some photos from the photo walk, and I'll be right back. Couple of days after the photo walk, and I'm just thankful for everybody that showed up. I appreciate it, man. We had a good time. Everybody was networking. You know, I think folks, you know, setting up other shoots, and that's what it's all about, man, you know. But about the cameras of vlogging, so me personally, I kind of want to use both of them for different stuff, you know. With the Insta360 X4, especially if I hook up the mics, man, this is perfect. And you know me, I like to get full body. I don't like it real close up to my face. So I mean, when you shoot with the GoPro, it's kind of, you know, up close. Which this, I like this, is kind of far away. But the only thing is, you kind of look weird when you're vlogging in public, just walking around holding a selfie stick. But I'm trying to get over that, and just vlog anyway. But I want to know what y'all think. Are y'all gonna go with the GoPro or the Insta360? Now granted, I know it's more smaller action cameras that y'all can vlog with, but this is just what I have, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't feel like spending no more money. I want the X5. I'm not gonna go get it. I think they got a DJI Action 5. I'm not gonna go get it. Not right now, unless somebody sponsor me, and we all know that's not gonna happen right now anyway. But man, I just appreciate y'all. If y'all have made it this far, I appreciate y'all watching the vlog. You know, drop down which one in the comments. Drop down which one you like better, the GoPro or the Insta360. Drop down if you don't like neither one of them. If you think my pictures were horrible, let me know. I'm gonna flame your ass. But hey, you know, it's okay. I take the good with the bad. But I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all watching. And come back. I mean, I tried not the middle finger. I tried to do the peace sign. Sorry.